Why is it like that? Why is it that the legendary, everything they call and then they go? When these people don't suffer hard, make things to be possible so easy for them and their children, you can't reach the time where they go sit down and they enjoy at the end. The next one I go hear na rest in peace. Rest in peace for what? I no say nobody will no go die. I know say each and every one of us go die, but not now. I know say na someday. But that is why you see this, like, we need to keep our hands clean. We don't need to offend anybody in this life. We need to keep our hands clean no matter anything, because you don't know who you will do at the end. It will come back to you. Yes. Now we don't know what happened to this innocent man. Am I going to call him innocent man? Oh God. Chief Amaechi Muonagor. This is a red cap, all these red cap chief. All these big